Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by and visiting with me. As you guys can see, the other day I was talking trash about me not getting my packet, and then guess what's in the mail? What is waiting for me when I get off work? My Felicity Jane box, and I wanted to do a quick unboxing with you guys. So without further ado, let's get started. And I'm actually going to be saving the crinkly paper because I am going to be putting the Happy Meal together for Susan, and I kind of want to use it, recycle this basically. So I am going to be taking everything out of here. This is called, give me a second, Amanda. Amanda is the name of this kit, and I feel like you get so much goodies with these kits. I think that's it. I'm gonna just quickly make sure there's nothing else. And like I said, I'm gonna save this because I am actually going to be sending Susan's Happy Meal in this box, and the reason for that is because it's big enough where I can put the 12 by 12 paper that I want to send to her. Plus the box, even though it's big this way, like lengthwise, it's not very thick, so I feel like it's gonna be perfect for shipping via the post office. Okay, so this collection, like I said, the name of it is Amanda, and it seems to me that the theme is summer, which is perfect because I still have in this box right here, I'm gonna show you, just because you guys don't see everything on my channel doesn't mean that I don't craft by myself and I play by myself. Although I wish I had more crafty friends that live locally, but let me show you. Oh, these are from last year. Those are pool days. And then look at these. I mean, look how little Mike was. And look at this is little Mike, and look, baby Adriana. And this is back in the day when honestly a little kid water slide will make them happy, and it made for perfect summers. So I have these pictures to work on, and honestly this collection would be super nice. And then here is another idea. I filled up some laundry baskets full of water balloons, and filling them up sucked big time. What you guys hear, that's the car Michael's pulling up. So let me go greet him at the door, and I'll come back to show you the unboxing. Just give me a few seconds, guys. Mike's just got home and I want to greet him. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay guys, I'm back, and I don't even know where I was, but yeah, these are the summer pictures that I have right here in my box already sorted, and those are the ones that I want to work on. So let me put them back. I don't even know where they went, but I'm just gonna put them there, and let's get through the kit. So summer inspired. The colors are very what would you say, I'm trying to think of like the neutrals, but I know it's not neutrals because this color right here, even though it's like a matte color, it's like a coral or a peachy color. So I don't know, I feel like it's very earthy, if that's a good description. Anyways, with this kit you're gonna get obviously your hello card. That's the journaling card, or I like to use it as a journaling card. And then you get a washi tape that is, let me see, I'm trying to open it so I could show you guys, but if you guys hear that music, that's the ice cream truck passing by the neighborhood. So the washi tape has the same design as this paper right here. You guys can see the flowers, and it's basically the same. So we have that, and then we have all the little cutouts Very pretty. Very summery, very pretty. I don't think it's very summery. I feel like these are fall colors, but for some reason they decided to use them, so no rules when you're crafting. Just do what you want, what makes you happy. So we're gonna do that. And then these are chipboard pieces. You just get a little bit more designs, some little banners. And we have that. And then we have puffy stickers in different kinds of shapes, hearts, circles, and stars in the color tones of the paper. And then you get a 4x6 stamp set. Again, everything is summer related. So it says like day at the pool, backyard campout, summer state of mind, photos, summer mood, sunny days, vacation, etc., etc. And you actually get a stamp that says Amanda. So there you go. If your name is Amanda, you have your own stamp there. But yeah, very useful for summer for sure. And you guys know that if I don't use it, or if I only use it for this one project, and then later on you guys might see the things that I no longer use, because I like to share them with you guys. So keep that in mind. You get the puffy alphabet stickers, which is a thin black, and you get the rest of the letters in the back. You also get a piece of ribbon in like that green color. It's like a forest green. I don't know how long it is, but there you go. And then we have the journaling cards. And let me see if I can move this aside. You have the rainbow, the little flowers, the stripes. I mean, I feel like these are very fall colors, but you can make it work for sure. Look how pretty that coral is. It's very soft. You know what? You could definitely, I think I'm gonna do this for my friends, my crafty friends. I saw this idea on Instagram and I thought it was such a genius idea. I'm gonna draw inspiration from it, and I am going to start using my 3x4 journaling cards and decorate them and make them the center focus of attention, and send them as encouraging cards to crafty friends, and make this like the centerpiece, and just add tons and tons of decoration. So I want to kind of try that, because I have a lot of 3x4 cards. Let me go grab them really quick so that I could show you. And honestly, I still have a lot, even though I've been decluttering the heck out of the craft area, but I guess I'm just not doing a good enough job. But I have this little box right here. All of these are 3x4, and then I have these two. These storage containers are from Heidi Swap, and look at them. And I've decluttered like a ton of it, but apparently not enough, because I keep getting more and more in each kit, and I just keep, you know, like storing them. And I think that would be a great idea to make these decorative pieces using these as the background, so that I could create pretty projects and send them to my crafty friends, and they can insert it in a pocket page, or they could add it to their their traveler's notebook or their scrap therapy book or whatever binder. It's just making these little decorative pieces is going to be super adorable. Okay, so moving on to the last piece, which is the paper pack. This is for the month of July. And so you have this little thing here that honestly, it always comes with like these stripes, and if you're not going to use the month, then you can use this for journaling. It's one of the things that if I'm not doing a project that requires the month to be annotated, I like to turn it over and use it as a journaling piece. And then you guys know that I save this. I've talked about this before, because you can definitely use this by itself, or you can cut it out. And honestly, if you turn it over, you could even use a blank canvas with the white of it. And then the 12 by 12 paper is double-sided, and I'm just gonna turn it like that so that you guys could see the lemons, the black and white stripes, the polka dots, and the hearts. Oh my gosh, this one's so pretty. I love that. It's like scribbled hearts. And then this green one and the little black bows, super adorable. You get the stripe, and then you get the grid squares, and then you get the yellow with the tabs. Honestly, if I'm in the mood for fussy cutting, I could do so many fussy cutting on these tabs. And then you have your basic colors. You got that pink and coral on the other side, and then that green and sort of like a blue color on the back of that one. And that is it for the unboxing for the Felicity Jane kit for the month of July. I just wanted to share it with you guys because, like I said, 2 videos ago I was complaining that I hadn't received it, and I wasn't sure if it disappeared while we were out of state on vacation. And honestly, I was hoping that the person that took it would make pretty layouts, but I'm actually more happy that I actually got it. So anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed this fast and easy, very simple unboxing. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Have a good one. Bye.